Tes. Iso Chùpwùn ngeri le secara detail for panggil DJ Fansoun. Sa chama umuragan mawen me so ngi bijak shur bisa. Ya bijak keji. Ya. Ari goi ka bakragits. Serena pundarwe in the hospital dori gerai. Ari goi ra bakkeji ran. To ekits papa seeing all of us together every single day. Yeah. Paku Kristo Chùpwùn ngeri gewe si seri satskan leaders ravi amarigits patori raskan everyone toigits amarigits naryadek arodya kar rahe sabba Kristo bun khushi raat hai. I feel very blessed. But if it wasn't for everybody, sapan ay ke sakufeyats narakira. Iso Chùpwùn ngeri gewe si. Even my brothers and sisters serving food, thank you so much. Yeah, to all of you guys for coming on, spending Christmas with us at the hospital. Paro kyo it's was. Ye rifag ngeri dats ke garifag ngeri gits. Yeah, wabari gigi ergu every rap sabtori ban, you know, gift like that on Christmas to her kids, especially mom. Ban ngapan gu rewi si daskan my favorite kan. Yeah, so yeah, I try to think positive. You ergu si borari face miracle naro budin. I seen everybody together that night, bring us all back together. They remind us how much love we have for each other. Yeah, I just want to encourage each and every one of us move forward after this. Yes, you bara jojore arabara sto feyen, alinis feyen. Yeah, Kristo Chùpwùn,